Today we'll be replacing the headlights in our 2016 Yukon XL with some LED headlights from AUTOONE. They sent us these headlights. Let's check them out and see what they look like. Then we'll go through the installation. Got the installation instructions with them. Direct fit, just plug and play. Got the little fan. Let's go about getting them swapped out. First, let's turn ours on. Kind of do a before and after comparison here. Alright, here's a before. We're going to put one side in and then just compare side to side and see what the difference is. Alright, they just turn. Sealed. Just turn off. Kind of hard to get at. Get loose and then headlights just unplug and turn and snap out. Let's get them installed here. Alright, old ones are out, new ones are in. Put the covers back on. Then we'll compare them one side to the other before we swap the other side. Yeah, they look super bright. There's that one. Big difference. The other side's going to take a little longer. Got to pull the airbox out of the way. Looks like pull the little tab, then unplug the mass air, and there's a little clip down there. Phillips screw, and I'm going to separate the box. There's 4 screws. Separate the box. It looks like it'll come out easier in 2 pieces. Once the top half's up out there, then we got a little cover, and then just a little. Pop the little clips off, pull that cover out of the way. Then it's the same as the other side. Pull them 2 caps. Then unclip the headlights. Stick the new ones in. Once you got the new bulbs in, put your covers back on. Then snap the bottom part of your breather back in, the 2 little titties, and then 4 bolts back on. Super bright. We'll put a link in the description for the lights. They're super bright, easy install. Please like and subscribe for more videos.